Safety off.
I got safety off. Line them up.
Charge. Good. Alright. Aim, point it. Point good. Aim good. Yeah! Good shot, bud.
Smoke.
Good shot. Alright, guys. Obviously, these do not need any introduction. This is a, as you guys well know, this is a Red Ryder and a Buck, both made by Daisy. And I just got these the other day for my oldest son, and we've been having a blast. And I got some video on here right after this of us using these little rifles, little BB rifles, and also going over range safety. So with everything that I try to do with my sons, it will have also some type of lesson, right? One quick note, the Buck shoots a whole lot harder than the Red Ryder. I don't know why. The only thing I'm guessing is shorter barrel, I guess. But you'll see that my son knocks him down pretty good, and when I shoot with the Red Ryder, the cans just stay up. It goes through them, but they laugh at me. It's a funny vid, and it was a whole lot of fun to do. So I hope you enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on next time. Alright, bud, so what do we got there?
We got rule one.
We got the rules, right? Okay.
Rule 1.
Safety.
Safety.
Always be safe, right?
Rule 2.
Treat all guns as if they're loaded. Point a gun in a safe position, up, right? So we always keep our gun up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Rule 3.
Rule 3.
When ceasefire is called, all guns are to be placed on safety and positioned in a safe manner. Guns pointed up. Okay, so we got safety on, right? Safety's on. Okay.
Are we done yet?
Nope. Number 4. No horse playing.
I was going to say that.
Oh, okay, go.
Rule 4.
No horse playing around. No horse playing or pushing around on the range. Okay, very important, right? What do we got? One more?
Where?
So that's 5, right?
Yeah, 5.
5. Only point weapons as something that you are willing to put holes in it. Never point weapons at person while on the range. At a person while on the range. Got me? Alright, so we're in safety, right?
Yeah, safety. Yep. I need more load.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to do that now. Alright, so we read the safety. Okay, so we're ready, right?
Yes.
Okay, so safety off. Charge your weapon. Good. Alright, go.
Very good. You know what? I'm going to go to the place.
Aim it good. Yeah! Good shot, bud.
2! I got 2!
Give me 5 on that one. Good job.
I doubled the points.
You doubled the points. That's right. Ooh, got 1. Go.
I'm 1 ahead of you.
You are, bud. You got 2. Alright. Aim it good. Aim it good. Put it in the sights. Ooh, good shot!
I'm 2 ahead of you. You got 2, that's 3.
Alright, let's do it. I don't know. Ooh, I didn't knock it down, though.
So, you got 1 can, but you didn't get point.
Nope. Go. Aim it. Where do you need to aim to? That's right. Only there. It's one of our rules. Ooh, you hit it. Good job, though. Try to knock it down. Come on. Ooh, I didn't knock it down either.
I'm going to shoot the one on the bottom.
Okay, try it. Ooh, try it again. Ooh, I hit blank.
Ooh, that means you get the double 2 points away.
Ooh, got that one though. Go.
We get 1 point, so that's a 1 point.
Oh, good shot.
Ooh, it was already knocked over, so I got.
Oh, blank.
Oh, you get the one away again.
Boom, your turn. Come on.
You got 1 point again.
Oh, good shot.
Phew, that is hot.
Another one. Come on. Put more right in the middle. Go. Good shot.
Man, why are we not knocking these over?
I don't know. Ooh, got that one. Go.
You do another one. Why don't you do another one?
I'll do another one.
Yeah.